Hello researchers, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well and learning good and cool things from the videos which are being posted in my YouTube channel. In the next upcoming videos, we will be discussing something more regarding research and how to become very good powerful researcher in your area. In this video, my main focus is to make you aware of various websites on which you can easily go and you can find very good information regarding conferences which are happening across the planet in your area as per your domain expertise. The first and the primary most target for any researcher is to get its work published. Published in the sense, the source where the research can be published. It can be either journals, whether it is a national or international journal, whether it can be a conference, national or international conference. If you talk of journals, it is very easy to just go to google.com, just type in like International Journal of Computer Science or International Journal of Physics or International Journal of Biology or anywhere the topic on which you are mastering or you have done your PhD or MTech, you can find journals in a very easy sense. But if you want to find a conference, it's somewhat is a very crucial and a typical task to find, because sometimes we can find that there are hundreds and thousands of institutions which organizes conferences, but it is not possible for us to keep a close eye on each and every institution. So in this video, I will be covering some of the important websites you should keep a close eye on them, at least you can say once in a week, so that you should be able to know which conferences are happening, which new conferences are being organized, so that you can easily contact the organizer or the conference chairman so that you can get your research published. Now, conferences are everywhere, whether it is in your country or abroad, but the main thing is that how to keep a close watch on those conferences. So there are some websites which can give you a good plethora of options to give close eye on these conferences. Now you can see on the screen there are some websites which I have opened over there. So the first website which I give you is conferencealerts.com. Now if you can browse the website, you can see it is having a very good and cool interface, that is conference by topic, conferences by country. So if you have a conference, suppose that you are researching in the area of computer science or computing, you can go to this engineering and technology. You can find vast number of topics listed as per specialization. So interdisciplinary, education, law, so whatever career you can find in the area right now towards mankind, they are having the conferences as per the topics. So if you want to search as per country, so if I click on India, so now you can see that the conferences are listed as per the months, like October, November, December. So suppose if I click on February 2016, if I feel comfortable that in February 2016 I'm having ample time, or the research which I'm going through can be completed in January, I need some conference which can be published in February. So you can find all these conferences listed over here. Now suppose if I click on this, that is called International Conference on Role of Social Media for Organizational Sustainability, I click over here. So I can just click on this link and you can find how easy it is to land on a conference page, and let the website load, and then we can find. So like that, I can have the link of this website now, and I can find everything about that conference which can be listed. Apart from searching for various conferences over here, this website is also very useful for if those persons who want to organize a conference. Now suppose if I go to its home page, and now you can find over here, that is add event. If you click on add event, if you're organizing a conference in your college, university or institution, I surely recommend you, and I very well recommend you, to please fill in these details which you can find, and you can click on these add keywords and continue with simple web pages, so you can find the people will become in touch with you, and more research papers you can got for your conference. The second, which is very good thing, is called the promote event. Now suppose that there are different researchers who are into research of cloud computing. You can just, if you want to organize a conference on cloud computing, just go to this event and you can write over there, and if the person who has written about this, especially about cloud computing, they will be naturally getting the email into their respective email address regarding the conference has been announced, and you can easily get research papers from very valuable researchers, not across your country but across the planet. The third thing which I recommend is subscription. So if you click on subscribe, you can subscribe to this web page and find very good conference alerts coming regularly into your emails. So this is about the first website, so let us close it, and now let us move to the another website, that is allconferences.com. Now again, like conferencealerts.com, it is another very good website which also gives you conference by category, conference by venue, conference by location. So you can find other options like registration services, other features, advertisement, subscription. So if I click on computers over here, like suppose I have clicked, and now I can find various computer science basically conferences which are being organized. And if I want to search regarding my country, so if I go to this conference by venue or conference by location, if I go to this India, I click over here, and now you can find plethora of conferences which are being organized on various topics in our country. So even you can find select dates, registration date, abstract. So it is a very cool website in order to find a very good conference as per your specializations. So this is about the second website which I want to give you, that is allconferences.com. So let us close this website. Now we come to the next website, that is called allconferencealert.com. So similarly, like conference alerts or all conferences, we can find different plethora of options in terms of like this website by conference by country, conference by topic, Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, or you can say very much into different countries. So almost all the planet is being covered into this website. So you can even have the Android app and iStore app of this website into your mobile so that you can be in touch with that. So similarly, like I've already shown you into conferencealerts.com, you can add your event, you can subscribe to this event. So same like that option. So you can find that all these 3 or 4 websites or more websites which I'm going to show you can give you plethora of options regarding the conference searching. So now let us go to another website which is specially for India, that is academic alerts in India itself, that is conferencealerts.co.in. So this website, let me tell you again that this conference is for various topics, but it is focusing only in, you can say, in this country. So Punjab, so I click on Punjab. So suppose I live in Punjab, so I just click over here. So I will find all the conferences which are coming in the area of Punjab. So you can find different conferences in Amritsar, Chandigarh, Ludhiana. So lots and lots of conferences which are being organized and recognized. So you can contact them as per your needs and desires. So next website which I give you is conferencealert.com. So you can say again the another website. So you can find various websites like this over there. So you can find SRM University and another websites which are being organized by Computer Society of India and IRD. So you can click on this and you can have plethora of options regarding the conference research paper publication. The next website which I give you is freeconferencealerts.com. So another very good website, and you can find plethora of options which are being organized in all parts of this country in India. So you can click on them. You can find very good research, you can say platform for your research paper to get published. Now apart from these websites, let us go to some, you can say, standardized websites in terms of IEEE, ACM, Elsevier, Springer. So I will give you some links of the websites. So you can find over here, that is IEEE.org/conference-events/index.html. So you can find plethora of websites, conferences over here, which can give you all the details of the IEEE sponsored conferences. So I must recommend you that you should please put your paper on these conferences, because these papers are already going to be indexed into IEEE and Scopus and even DBLP like indexes, a very good indexes and very good platforms for us to get your paper cited into IEEE. The next website which I give you is acm.org/conferences. Again, like IEEE, ACM is also very good indexing services, even I can say ahead of IEEE in terms of the recognition. So you can go to this and you can click on this website like that, and you can find the conference which is being organized, all the details over there. So ACM based conferences, I wish you all the luck to get your paper published. Good valuation even ahead of IEEE, which I recommend. The next website which I give you is springer.com/conference calendar. So if you can go to this September, and you can find all these conferences in which papers are going to be recognized and indexed into Springer. So the last website which I give you for today is elsevier.com/conferences. So if I click on this search and browse for conferences, so you can find plethora of options for conferences which are being sponsored by Elsevier, and you can find all these papers which are being published into this or accepted into this conference. I wish you all luck that you get your paper published into these type of conferences, high level conferences. All these papers are going to EI Compindex, Elsevier, everywhere what you can think of. So you can say that all these websites will give you a plethora of options and plethora of opportunities to get your research paper published in a very good quality manner, in a very good quantity manner, and I wish you all the luck. Happy surfing. on these websites. Happy researching, and may God give you speed and power and energy to be a good researcher and publish your good work into the upcoming conferences. Thank you so much. I wish you all luck, all the best.